Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can stream on YouTube with OBS. So first step you need to do is to open OBS, click on settings, and here you need to click on stream, select YouTube, server primary, and click on use stream key, and then you need to come and open YouTube, click on the YouTube as well, and once you are here you simply need to click here, that is create, and click on go live. Okay, and here you can see that right now or later date, so I want to start right now. So built-in webcam streaming software, so I use streaming software. Okay, and here you can find a stream key, so you simply need to copy that and paste that here. If you want to see, you can see, click on apply and click on OK, and after that your streaming will start. So this is the process how you can stream on YouTube with OBS. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.